treat yourself to a test drive in the 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. This model accommodates 6 passengers comfortably and provides features such as delay-off headlights, front and rear reading lights, variably intermittent wipers, a front bench seat, and remote keyless entry. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, OnStar, and ABS brakes. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Chevrolet's rigorous certification process. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. We are here to help you.